Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Malachi, and today we're going to be making Play-Dough. Ta-da! I can't wait to do it. Now, let's get right into making Play-Dough. And we are going to list the ingredients on the screen. Now let's start making Play-Dough. Yay! We need 1 bowl, 1 cup of flour, salt. Then we're going to stir around the salt and the flour. Now that's enough stirring. Then we're going to put a few drops of my favorite color blue in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, after, you're going to shake the cup a little bit. Then, after you put my favorite color blue in the water, you're going to slowly pour the water in the bowl. I'm just going to add just 2 more drops. 1, 2. Now you're going to start mixing the water. And stir, stir, stir. It's starting to get a little hard and mushy. It's starting to get hard to stir. Mom's gonna help me do a little bit more stirring. Guys, this is what the color looks like. We're gonna add a little bit more drops and a little bit more drops. It'll be 3 drops. Now, 1, 2, 3. Now, let's start mixing. Guys, it's a little bit too sticky, so we're going to add a little bit more flour. That's jumped out of my spoon. Mom is adding a little bit more flour. Guys, this recipe is a little bit too sticky, so we're going to try another. So guys, we're gonna make the second batch, and we are gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour because this Play-Dough is a little bit too sticky. Now let's get right into making the second batch. I'm gonna put 1 drip in here, just 10 drips in here, just to make it just a little bit better.
Spatula?
Yeah, the spatula.
Okay, let's fix your shirt lid.
It's gonna get hard just the same as this.
Mix, mix, mix. It's looking pink.
Yeah, but don't mind that. It still looks good to me. In my opinion.
So, you want us to add a little bit more red to it? I think you should add a little bit more red to it in the meantime. Yeah, that should be good. So that's probably about 15 drops, right? We're just winging it.
15 drops in 2 long squirts. Not drips. Squirts.
So let me help you do a little bit mix it, okay?
Okay. I'm gonna mix the rest for you. So guys, I'm still gonna add a little bit more red to it in this little spot. Guys, I'm super excited because we're all done making the Play-Doh and the kit that we had. And this one didn't like look like didn't come out like red. It's a little bit pink. This one is pink. Pink has a heart to shape out. This is green. Green has a dinosaur to shape out. This one is a snowflake. Blue has a snowflake to shape out. This one is a star. Yellow has a star. The first one I'm going to do is the heart. Now, I'll take it off. We're going to leave it, then we're going to come back. It's only getting a little bit too hard.
Let me feel it. Yeah, it's still pliable.
Yeah.
Push it down a little more.
As far as it can go.
As far as it can go? Okay. All right.
Now, next is blue.
You want to take the Play-Doh off?
Yes. And we'll put the blue to the side. Now blue.
So you probably can make a couple of the couple shapes out of that. This is the big one.
I'll leave it out. Yellow and blue are a mystery, so you can't see them. But what you can see is this one, but not this one and this one. Now, let's see what the heart looks like.
Well, this one is a little bit sticky from the first batch.
This one is a little bit sticky from the first batch.
It's not much of a heart.
That's not much of a heart. Now, the dinosaur. It must have a dinosaur. And let's put it right here. Now, next is this. Ooh! It's a snowflake. Now next is the very, very tiny one.
Gonna make some more stars. This one. These are a good Play-Doh.
Play-Doh you made in the comment section below. Also,